Hyundai revealed the refreshed i10, and here you can see the N-Line variant, which is inspired by Hyundai's high-performance N models. The i10 N-Line has sporty design features, including bespoke bumpers, inserts, and red touches. The backs of the seats feature triple redline fabric, and the model comes with the new 16-inch alloy wheels. First units are expected to arrive on European roads in the second half of this year. Tell me in the comments, how do you like it?